will increase. Yeah. So in our scheme, we have what kind of software do we certify? In our scheme, these are the categories that we certify. Security hardware, appliance software. This is like this is intrusion prevention system, and then we have for security, security product, firewall, antivirus, anti-spam, spyware, and then hardware, appliance software, like smart card reader, mobile devices, like Herman was mentioned just now. Business groupware or software, like bulletin board or document management. Software embedded, like in your refrigerator, washing machine, printer, because everything now is software embedded. Even cars now are software embedded. And other software, cards or customer software. So I think in Malaysia this is really big. Other software, And for those that we cannot and will not certify are software with simple functions whose technological economic value is minimal. For example, it's not for sale, you just use it for your own department. But there are some cases where if you certify your product, you're trying to partner with someone and you want to tell your partner, my systems are all certified, because that will increase the confidence in your partner. So maybe it's not for outside users to use it, but only for to testify about your your commitment to quality to your partner. And software that lacks universality, as it is only operated in an isolated environment, like I mentioned just now. And gambling software, we don't certify gambling software. And harmful software that may hamper sound business activities like the cookies and all that. Okay. For QS certification level, QS have two levels right now. We have MSTP QS 9126, which is for software. Software will be evaluated based on international standards, ISO IEC PR 9126 Part 2. Part 2 is external metrics, right? Requirements and Standard Malaysia ISO ISO IEC 5451 207. This is your documents evaluation. And we have MSTP QS 9126 Elite, which is software that has been certified with MSTP 9126 can actually proceed to this level of certification. It goes beyond the quality requirements of 9126 Part 1. So you have additional if your software has additional. So how do we do our certification process? You've seen this picture before. I'm not going to talk so much about it. So during the application, what do we need? You must have this is your product description, user manual or user document as we call it, software product to be certified. Herman mentioned just now, it has to be a finished and completed software. So a copy of your business registration form. 4 items if you wish your product to be certified. And during evaluation, what we do is that we evaluate two things here. One is your software, your system itself, and the other one is your document. So for your software evaluation, we'll use MS 883 Part 1 2005, which is actually identical to ISO IEC PR 9126 Part 2. So these are the standards that we use to evaluate the software. And for document, we use MS ISO IEC 25451. This is actually software product quality requirements evaluation software project under the 25010 series strength. Okay, so product will be evaluated based on these external metrics, functionality, reliability, usability, efficiency, maintainability, and portability. So these are actually based on 9126 part 2, yeah. So under this 6 characteristics, yeah, you have all the sub-characteristics. Yeah, under functionality, you have suitability, accuracy, interoperability, and so on and so forth. Under reliability, you have maturity. So this under, they can also be the whistleblower if there's something wrong with our practice. Yeah, they can come and tell us anytime. And we have a complaints and appeals committee, which will look into complaints from the public, the customers. Yeah, so they will actually receive and acknowledge the complaints, and then they will investigate it further. Because sometimes we all have experience when you complain to the product owner, they will just receive and do nothing, right? Okay, so with this complaint committee, we can't do that because these people are not our people, from our side. So they will make sure that they attend to complaints and appeals. So that is how we maintain our impartiality for the scheme. Like I mentioned just now, so from with that 3 committee, we are governed by this committee, this 3 committees, and you will get your ISO scheme, certificate, yeah, or US certificate. So that is our scheme in a nutshell, yeah. But there's a lot of works to be done in between, which I think Herman will just brief you through the journey, how to be certified. What do you need to do in order to prepare yourself for your product certification? So is there any question so far? Or are you overwhelmed by all the standards that we're talking about? So if you have any questions, yes?
The certification, is it valid for a certain amount of time or one time?
Certification is valid for the version.
Version?
Yes. So version meaning that if you change the version, then you will have to recertify it.
It's not time bound, but it's by version.
Because if you change version, the function almost all the time the functionality has been changed. So we have to retest on the functionality.
So normally the version is update module or year or
Yeah, if you update your version every year, then you have to be recertified. Yes.
Assuming we release 1.0, 3 months down the road we release 1.5. We certified the 1.0. How about the 1.5? Is it considered certified, or is it considered we need to recertify the 1.5 or 2.0? All these upgrades and all that we're doing along the way, how do we do that?
That's why when we see just now, the best way to do product certification is when you know that your product is stable. Yeah, you're not going to do any more enhancement. Yeah, any functionality, new functionality for the next at least 1 or 2 years. Yeah, you just want to market it. Yeah, so
just sorry to interrupt. It will not be always that case, because it will be always an improvement to the software.
yes,
it won't be any stagnant stage where 1.0 will stay for a while, unless it's very critical software.
but when you say 1.0 to 1.5, what is change? What has changed?
I mean,
because some applications they have core product, right? And then you will add on other modules.
Yes.
But you can actually certify your core modules.
Okay.
Yeah? So if you have like for 3 or 4 core modules,
Okay.
you certify that.
Okay.
So that means your core product is already certified.
Okay.
Then the others, if it's not certified, it's fine, because sometimes I know that because some agencies they have different requirements, so you have to customize for them, right? But you just certify your core products.
Okay.
Yes.
But just to add on to his point, I think now we are seeing also the trend that in software we are entering into a state of perpetual beta, right?
Yeah.
Cases like maybe Gmail, Facebook,
Yes.
it's always changing. There's no real stability in a way.
Correct.
So for those kind of products, Do we certify? Do we not certify? It
Again,
does
like
raise
I
a question,
said,
right?
the decision to certify is what certification brings to you. Is it going to bring you more revenue? Yeah. Is it going to make your customer more confident? Facebook, are you confident that Facebook is really safe, is really secure? I'm not, So, but we still use it anywhere, right? But if you want to make sure that your product is actually certified and you know all the qualities already in there, then yes, you can certify it. But for almost all these mobile apps, they're short-lived. Yeah. So then it's back to your business call, whether you want to certify it or not.
How long this whole process takes to get certified? Like from the start to until we get the
Yeah. We are also addressing customers' concern on that. So what we are looking at is not more than 8 months. So if it's
8 months.
more, if it's more than 8 months, we don't consider it's a good way, for it to move forward, because if it's taking more than 8 months, it means that we are some form of hindering your development.
Your time to market.
Yeah. So forth.
It's gonna be 8 months.
No, it's depend on the size again,
Okay.
but the maximum
It's
is
8 months.
8 months.
8 months.
So
When we assess that it's going to be more than 8 months, that means it's too huge, too complex, and we say then you better rethink about certifying, because we're gonna slow you down in your time to market. Anything else? Or we can have a break. During break, we can just
Yeah.
and then after this, Herman will go on
Yeah.
and
talk about
share
it.
you how to get your product certified, what needs to be done.
Okay.
Okay?
It's my turn to ask you about this